Hello and welcome to this session. My name is Ibrahim Mustafa, and in today's session, we are going to look at some of the trading tools that you need before you enter any trade. So maybe you want to do researches or you want to understand the crypto landscape. You need to research before you enter any trade. So the first tool that you will need, which we are going to highlight today, is one of the tools that can help you to do more is Coinmarketcap. Before you venture to hodl, to trade, whether you are a swing trader or day trader, you need to analyze the coins. You need to know the tokens. You need to know what is it that you want to trade with. And you can use CoinMarket to do analysis to know the authenticity of any coin before you venture into that. So it's like this for people who are new to crypto. I'm just going to share with you how it looks like. Right. So CoinMarketCap is this way. So once you look at this, you can see that this is how it looks like on real sense. And you can see all the coins numbering from one to the last coin in the world. And it has price action percentage in terms of hours, 24 hours, 7 days, and more once you get into the coins. So it looks like this. And here you can get all the exchanges in the world. And you can see top performing exchanges, whether spot or derivatives, centralized exchanges, decentralized exchanges. You can get to see all of them. So you can see there are some of the decentralized exchanges that you can find in the market. And we have the centralized exchanges. So it's not only for coins. You can get to do your researches. One, in terms of coins, tokens, meme coins, whatever coin that you are talking about, you get to see that. So once you get here, just click on any one of them, and you can also download. It has whether Android or iOS version. You can get that, and you consume that. So you can see I'm going to do BTC analysis here. It's currently 94,402 at the time of recording this video. So I can get to see the all-time high of BTC has been 108,000, and that was in December 17th. All-time low was July 14th. That's 14 years ago, and it was 0.04865. So you can see it gives you analysis, and even once you click on more, it gives you when the coin was launched and the website of the coin, social media, and all the things that you need to know. So this is a tool that you should learn to understand before you venture into any crypto coin. And you see that today they are even going to share with you portfolios that have been launched today, new coins that have been launched today. You can get to see all of them here. So this is a tool that you need to get to create more opportunities for yourself. The second tool that you need is news sites. We do know that even though crypto is decentralized, but news going around the world can cause the decline or whatever, the backward or upward trends of BTC and any coin. So news can affect, either make it bullish or bearish. So you need to get into some news sites that you can also get to learn and to know what is happening in the crypto world. Some of the favorite news sites are investing.com. So once you get into investing.com, you get to see that they have all the news that you need. And I like this because they categorize the news into different sectors. You can see they talk about Bitcoin, they talk about stocks, commodities, and all the things that you need. So you check analysis, they will analyze currencies, commodities, bonds, cryptocurrency. So as a crypto trader, you just go into the cryptocurrency and you get to see whatever we are talking about here. So you see that it tells you some of the latest news that are happening. And there are a lot of them. We have Bloomberg, we have CNBC, news sites that you can also just to know whatever is happening in there, business, investing, and life in general. So news sites are important for you as a trader. Then we also have very important is influencers. You know, a tweet by Elon Musk can skyrocket a coin to 2000x or 1000x. Yesterday, he tweeted, he changed his name from Elon Musk on Twitter to Kikios, whatever. And there was a coin that was also struggling, and he changed his name to that coin. So people were speculating that that coin may be linked to Elon Musk, and that skyrocketed the coin to 1,600% in one day. So you see how influencers can influence coins. So you need to follow them. And one also influencer you need to follow is Michael Saylor. He is there are two competing companies buying Bitcoin like crazy. We have Michael Saylor's company called MicroStrategy, and also we have BlackRock. So you see that all the thing that for now he's just posting about Bitcoin, and he even did a party for Bitcoin on the eve of what? 31st eve midnight. So you can see. And so you can follow some of them to also learn more about cryptocurrencies, and also that can affect the markets once you are trading. Then last but not the least is you need to get Crypto Panic. It's also a news kind of site that aggregates all the information about crypto and sends that in. Then TradingView. As we here to go into serious trading, TradingView is also important, and you need to get into TradingView, learn that, and that can give you real insights about candle patterns, chart patterns, price action of any commodity in the world. So TradingView is also another platform that you need to start with. You need to start with. So it's like this. We call that TradingView, and that is your go-to place. You can see the analysis of Bitcoin, and you can change the time frames. If you are into, you can do 10 minutes, 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 month, 1 year analysis. And so this is a platform that you need to do that. And it also helps you to create that leverage. So TradingView is your go-to place for your analysis. And you also need Desk Screener for the new coins. We talk about meme coins. Early release coins, you can get them on Desk Screener. Thank you very much. Hope you learned something. See you in the next model.